Hello guys, nice to meet you. Hello guys, nice to meet you. Let's meet up with the new recipe. This is marble cake part 2. Let me show you what we need. Today I'm used 700 grams butter cake mixture. You can make butter cake with my butter cake recipe. It's in below description box. And we need colorings. You can use any colorings you like. I'm used pink, blue, this is aqua green, red and purple. This is colorings, and we need baking tray. This is 7 inches baking tray. Okay, let's start. First I'm add 1 butter cake layer. Some coloring drops. And use barbecue stick like this. Okay. Add another cake layer. This is very simple. This is very simple marble cake recipe. And now we should bake this at 150 Celsius degrees in 15 minutes. Okay,